yeah, I'm gonna have a few presents to wrap, and yeah, let's do that, I guess. So I'm trying to find a perfect spot to actually wrap these presents, because you know, like, I'm challenged when it comes down to wrapping. So yeah, let's see how we're gonna do this, you guys. Let me get the gifts and all that stuff. Okay, I did that without wrapping the last gifts that I didn't show you guys. Y'all really can't see my face, but I'm just trying to wrap this, and you know, I'm challenged with wrapping gifts and stuff because yeah.
Did a good job wrapping.
How? This is the part where it gets tricky.
Because you're supposed to bend it. I'm gonna do like this.
I can never do it right.
Yeah. Take your time and bring it like that. Really, really neat. Okay, now bring the other side. And take your time and just fold this like this.
Oh, like that,
Like
and then
that. And then do like that.
my mom's helping you guys. Just rip it off.
Oh, me. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna do is rip it off.
If you wouldn't notice, my mom helped me wrap her own. Thanks to my mom, she helped. So a little better than my other gifts that I wrapped. So I got one more gift to wrap. I did it too short. What kind did I have to fix it? Disaster wrapper. And I had, you see, the part that I had down here that was which color, I just said forget it. I'm gonna just like let it sit up like this. Oh, I'm just gonna rip the dang wrapping off anyway. So I'm done wrapping gifts, and I'm about to just probably like go and lay down for a second and just relax. My head's kind of hurting. Probably watch a show or a movie. I don't know yet. Hey y'all, so I have been slacking on a lot of stuff, but I've been supposed to clean my makeup brushes so I can be prepared to make content, and I've been slacking. So I'm about to clean all my makeup brushes and stuff, and I have like a makeup a little box thing, and it's a mess right now, so I'm gonna organize that as well. So might as well show you guys all my junk that I have in this thing and organize it and all that good stuff. My makeup box, and it's a mess right now, so I'm going to organize it. I'm thinking about getting something else to keep everything in, but I'm about to organize it and get my makeup brushes and stuff together. I'm just trying to go through everything and like move everything out the way. And I was just throwing stuff in there the last time I did my makeup. It's a mess. Let's get it together so I can be organized and ready to do content. I have a few palettes that I've got from Ipsy and all that stuff that are okay. And I got this one from Walmart. Oh my gosh, this is a mess. They're cracked, so I'm gonna just throw them away. I was getting new brushes. Get some brushes that I have to clean, which is a lot of these, so I'm gonna just put all these in here. So I'm not gonna really talk through this process because, yeah, because of the water and stuff. So I forgot the sponges. I'm gonna let these soak because look at that. I'm gonna let my brushes air dry. Okay, so let's get to organizing. So, ready to go to Walmart. Well, I'm at Walmart right now. A quick Walmart one. So I just found this. So I'm gonna try this and see how this actually works. Fruit and vegetable wash. Fit organic. directions. Guilty pleasures. You have banana pudding. Look at this one. So they had, it's the first time actually seeing crab legs in my, the king crab legs in my area at this moment. But, yeah, I don't want to see two crab legs. So it's not clean together. My mom had asked somebody for cabbage because there was no cabbage that was out, whatever. So she asked somebody for the cabbage, and instead of them coming, they went in the back to look for the cabbage. But instead of looking for the cabbage, they never came back. Wow. Wow. So I just made it back in, and I'm about to put away this stuff, and yeah, I don't know what else I'm to be doing for the rest of the night, but I would do a haul, but I just want to get this stuff put away and relax, because the store is just how your nerves going. I'm gonna put this stuff away and maybe watch a show, a movie. Stay tuned. If I don't pick the camera up again tonight, I'll hopefully pick the camera up tomorrow. We shall see. Today is Thursday, and I really wasn't going to vlog, but I guess I should pick up the camera, huh? I'm about to peel some potato. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve, and you know, I'm trying to be in the Christmas spirit, but things will be okay. It'll get better. But I decided to pick up the camera and say hi, you guys. So like I said, I'm about to peel some potatoes or whatever. And I don't mind my head being tied up because, you know, I'm in the house. I'm not doing anything. I'm not going anywhere. So it's like my chill attire. So I'm trying to figure out what to talk about because I'm shy. Just kidding. So today's pretty much been like a chill day. Straightened up my room a little bit. Wrote down some goals. Wrapped some more. Well, another gift or whatever. So today's been pretty chill. Not much to really do because of, you know, like, it's close to Christmas, so everybody's just, well, me. I'm always chilling because that's what I do. Chilling should have been my middle name. So I don't even like onions, but my mom likes the way I do gravy. And she's doing, I don't know what it's called. But I'm getting, I don't eat onions. I'm cooking with onions right now. It's pretty disgusting. But I'm just gonna let these onions get like cooked down, and do the flour for the gravy, and then she wants the chicken to go in it, I'm guessing. So I'm doing that, and I don't like onions. Onions are nasty. Unpopular opinion by Uplifting Others. I'll show you guys the process of everything. I don't know what I'm doing. I never cook with onions and stuff, but I'll show you guys. So I added some flour and some chicken broth. I'm stirring. I might add some more chicken broth in it. But this is how it's looking. I gotta thin it out some more, so I'm about to do that. Using one hand here. Now we don't know what I'm doing, you guys. My first time doing this. Okay, my mom is putting in the chicken. Ooh. Dinner is served. Watching one of my dad's favorite shows. And my favorite show was this show, but yeah, I've been watching forever.